Developing characters like a pro. Master prompts and exercises. Hello language learners and budding writers. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating aspect of creative writing, character development. But, we are not just going to talk about it in general, we're going to get practical and learn some effective techniques. Specifically, we'll explore how to use prompts and exercises to develop compelling and believable characters. Ready to add some depth to your characters? Let's get started. Prompts and exercises are wonderful tools in the world of creative writing. They are designed to trigger your imagination and get you thinking about your characters in new and interesting ways. Prompts might be specific questions or scenarios that you need to think about for your character, while exercises might involve you writing short pieces or brainstorming sessions around your character. Here's an example of a character development prompt. If your character were stranded on a deserted island, what 3 items would they hope to have? And here's an example of a character development exercise. Write a diary entry from your character's perspective about a pivotal event in their life. Prompts and exercises like these can lead to insights about your characters that you might not discover otherwise. Let's discuss how you can use prompts effectively for character development. 1. Take the prompt seriously. Immerse yourself in the scenario or question. Think deeply about how your character would respond. 2. Go beyond the surface. Your character might want a knife on the deserted island, but why? What does it say about their survival skills or their ability to improvise? 3. Reflect on the character's past and future. How did their past shape their preferences? How might their responses impact their future actions? The key is to use the prompt as a way to probe deeper into the character's personality, backstory, and motivations. Now, let's talk about getting the most out of character development exercises. Here are a few tips. 1. Dive deep into the character's perspective. When writing from your character's perspective, really try to get into their head. What are their immediate concerns, their fears, their hopes? 2. Experiment with different scenarios. Don't be afraid to put your character into different scenarios and see how they react. This can help you understand them better. 3. Don't rush. Take your time with these exercises. The goal is to learn more about your character, not to complete the exercise as quickly as possible. Remember, exercises should be used to push your understanding of your character to new depths. And there we have it. By using prompts and exercises for character development, you can breathe life into your characters, making them more believable and engaging. Remember, it's about getting to know your character, just as you might get to know a real person. Keep practicing and keep exploring. Your characters, and your readers, will thank you. Thanks for joining us today in this dive into character development. We hope you found these insights and techniques helpful. Keep writing, keep learning, and keep bringing those amazing characters to life. See you in our next video, and until then, happy writing!